Supply Corporation believes that due to the failing gas supplies to their power stations, and that due to an increasing cost of making electricity through furnace oil, they believe that there might be shortages. But on the other hand, what we see in Karachi is that a threat by the industrial sector that if the electricity is not supplied to them on time, and that if there is any shortages and their industrial output is affected, there might be chances that they would not pay their electricity bills.
Ahmed, which areas are the most affected?
Well, there are 18 towns in Karachi, where we can see at least 11 towns in Karachi are the worst affected areas, where electricity shortages and outages are being seen from 8 hours and up to 12 hours. In certain areas there is controlled load shedding, but in the majority of the areas in Karachi we see that there are electric shortages, and those shortages which are not even pre-told of.
All right, Ahmed, then talk to us a little bit about industrial production and the effects on the output.
Well, what we see is that since the last 3 years there have been a lot of meetings from different sectors, the textile sector, the manufacturing sector, the semi-manufacturing sector, which have been calling the KESC chairman and the MD Tabish Gaur in their meetings, and there have been a lot of commitments made now. Initially they did see that certain improvements were made at the part of KESC, but what we see is that these load sheddings are not only causing shortages in industrial output, but is also increasing the cost of these industrial sectors, since they have to use generators and alternative means of electricity, since they have to run their factories. On the other hand, what we see is that analysts believe that over more than 17% of their electricity wastage is being seen as far as KESC is concerned, due to their old wiring systems and different types of machinery they are using. So if that 17% is saved, maybe they can reduce their load shedding tremendously.
All right, Ahmed, thank you.